If you're going to Coachella this year, these 3 hairstyles are a must. This video is in partnership with Wavytalk. They are the official ambassadors of Coachella. Like, how cool is that? I remember the first early days of Wavytalk on TikTok, and I am just so proud to see how big this company has gotten. I mean, their hair tools are really so worth the hype. And how exciting is it that they have limited edition kits for Coachella? In today's video, I'm actually using the star of the show, this hair tool right here, the crimper. I'm gonna do a step-by-step tutorial on how to create these waves perfect for Coachella, and how to create these 3 hairstyles that are just a must if you're going to Coachella. Like, Coachella is waves. Waves is Coachella. Like, if you're going to Coachella, you need to do crimper waves. They're just so trendy. As you can see, this is the beautiful power crimper in the limited edition color. I love this orange. It is so pretty. They also have it in the Steamline Pro. I actually used this hair tool today to straighten my hair, so I'm gonna put a video up here so you guys can see how well this straightens my hair straight from curly hair. And as you can see, they also have the same color in the viral Wavytalk Heat Around brush, the hair tool that started it all. This bad boy right here, so good. And with every kit you get different accessories. So you get this bandana, so pretty. It has the Wavytalk logo right there, and this color is just so cute. It matches with everything in the kit. It's just so adorable. You also get this like little on-the-go mirror and brush, so nice. It's like even like a keychain, so it's perfect for like just putting on your bag. Speaking of bags, you also get this bag. It's like one of those belt bags, super nice for Coachella, and you get a heat protectant. So you get a couple different things. When you buy this kit, you also enter the chance of winning $500. So of course, I'm going to be putting all the information down below in the description box. But now let's get into crimping the hair. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to use it in the highest heat setting because I want a very deep defined wave. This also has the ion technology, which is going to help control frizz. And this hair tool also gives me so much shine every time I use it. And this hair tool has a timer. So depending on how defined you want your hair to look, you can customize this and put it in whatever setting you want. For me, I'm actually gonna put this hair tool to the highest heat setting, so 420, and the highest timer setting, which is 10 seconds. You can do 4 seconds, you can do 6, 8, and 10. So I'm gonna do 10 seconds. And I'm doing that because I want these waves to last. And if you're going to Coachella, you definitely wanna do it in this setting. I feel like this is gonna make your waves just last all 3 days if you're there for the whole weekend. But yeah, basically I take the hair tool, press, leave it there for the whole 10 seconds. It's gonna beep. It's gonna let you know when to release the hair. That's what I like about this hair tool, that it's just like so smart and easy to use. Then you bring it down and press again. Wait a couple more seconds. You don't even have to count. It's just gonna let you know when to release the hair. As you can see, bring it down. I can already see the wave coming through. So nice. I feel like this is gonna be the summer hairstyle. I'm so excited for the summer. And also for the spring, but like, you guys see that? Ah, so nice. But yeah, this is like beach waves, but without going to the beach, you know? And it just looks so nice and natural. I can never get this hairstyle, by the way, without using a hair tool. So I love that I have a hair tool that is just so easy to use and gives me such a beautiful defined wave that's gonna last me so long. Wow. Love that. If you're a little bit in the rush, you can also take bigger sections, and this is still going to give you a beautiful wave. As you can see, this section is a little bit bigger than the other ones, and it's still giving me a pretty nice wave. But for Coachella, I would recommend taking smaller sections so that the waves can last even longer, and of course using it in the highest heat setting and highest timer setting as well. As you can see, the wave is coming through. It looks so good, and wow, love it, love it. I think I've never posted a video on my YouTube channel using this hair crimper. I've used other ones before, but this one is so affordable, and it's just as good as other ones that I've tried in the market that are way more expensive, probably double the price or even triple the price of this one. Because I've tried other ones that are even over $100 that don't even compare to this. This is way better, and it's like $35. It's so affordable. This kit is a little bit pricier because it brings all the other accessories accessories, but I really think out of all the colors Wavytalk has ever released for any hair tool, this is my favorite one because as you can see, it has like this kind of like tie-dye effect. It's like going from like an orange to like a light pink, and it just looks super fun. Like this is my favorite color, hands down. Out of all the Wavytalk hair tools that I have, this is my favorite one. Quick before and after right here. I mean, this side just looks so much more fun. And I'm gonna do this side. This hairstyle takes me like maybe like 10 minutes to do all my hair. It is super fast. When you start the other section, you're starting it where the other section ended. So I basically open it, bring it down, press it where the other section ended. So as you can see, this is where it's starting, this is where it's ending. I wait for the beep, open, and bring the front to the back where the other section ended. You will also kind of feel the hair going through the hair tool, so that will also kind of like help you decide where to press. And after a couple times, you'll get the hang of it. But anyways, I'm gonna continue doing my hair and then we're gonna come back and do the hairstyles. This is what my hair looks like after just using the hair crimper. I mean, my hair looks so nice and voluminous. I love the waves that I got. They look very defined. If you wanted to leave your hair like this, I mean, this is such a vibe and perfect for Coachella. But let's move straight into hairstyle number 1, which is probably the easiest out of all of them. I'm gonna start by creating 2 braids, very small ones. The braids don't have to look perfect. They can actually look pretty messy if you want as well. I even like to like open up the braid a little bit just so that it can look like a little bit messier. Now I'm gonna do 2 more braids on each side. So one right here and probably another one right next to it on the other side. This is looking so good. I do want to add some accessories. I feel like accessories are a must for Coachella. It just spices up the hairstyle and it makes it look a lot more fun. So I have these little like ring thingies. I'll put them down below in the description box. I don't even remember where I got them from. But I just basically like clip this to my hair and just let it hang. How cute is that? I have very dark hair, so I kind of want something to make the braids pop a little bit. And this is the final look. How pretty is this hairstyle? I love it. I think this is probably gonna be my favorite one because I love when my hair is just down, and I really like the little details that I added to the hairstyle. These little rings, they are just so stunning, and it just really helps my brown hair pop a lot more. So yeah, love this hairstyle. It is so nice. Now let's move on to the next hairstyle, hairstyle number 2. For this hairstyle, I'm gonna take out the front pieces. I'm gonna separate that, and I'm just gonna grab 2 sections on each side, just brush up. I'm gonna take a bigger elastic. I'll tie it 1 time, 2 times, and then 3 times. So 1 pony like this. Now I'm gonna do the other side. So it's gonna look something like this, and you want the ponytail to be very voluminous, so you can even like scrunch it a little bit if you want. These are gonna be your best friend bobby pins, especially these that are like, I think they're called the French bobby pins. You can just stick them in there. I'm gonna just start wrapping this around and doing like a loose messy bun. Keyword messy. You definitely want it to look very natural. I like to take a second elastic and just kind of like put it right on top just to secure it even better. And then I start taking my bobby pins and just start securing the bun. Now I'm gonna do this side. This looks so cute. I love this hairstyle. Now I'm gonna add some of these very cute and adorable flower clips. You want to make sure that you're placing it in a way that the flower is visible. Oh, that looks so cute. I love that. You can even just like flip it and like tuck it in a little bit. That also helps it kind of like stay in place. This hairstyle is so cute. If you want to do something a little bit different, a little bit out of your comfort zone, go with the space buns. All right, let's move on to the third hairstyle. Now, if you like a slicked back look, this third hairstyle is for you. This is kind of like a half up, half down situation. So I basically just divide my hair right above my ear, and I'm actually using the brush that came in the bundle to brush my hair back. And I'm gonna take a hair tie and I'm gonna try to tie it the highest possible. Again, just scrunch the hair if you want a little bit of extra volume. I actually like to use the brush and just tease it as well. I'm gonna take my hair and just kind of do basically the same thing that I did with the space bun, but just like a bigger bun. Take an elastic and just place it right on top. And then right away, add the bobby pins. I think that is good for now. We gotta bring down these baby hairs though. So I'm gonna use this taming wand just to like start bringing down some of these baby hairs, making it look a lot more sleek. I feel like that looks better already. I also like to do my edges with this. I feel like that gives it a nice little touch. It's actually looking good, but I do want to add a little bit of hairspray to the bun because these little baby hairs are driving me crazy. And since this is kind of like a slicked back look, I need these baby hairs to go down a little bit. And I'm gonna add these beautiful butterfly clips. So I'm just gonna add that to the bun. And so this is the final look. I love this one. This is probably the most comfortable one. I think I would prefer this one for Coachella because at Coachella, it got super hot. You're at the desert. And I heard that you sweat a lot. So this is perfect because your hair is like all the way back. So if you're sweating, you don't really have to like think too much about your hair. Like you should be good with this hairstyle. I love this hairstyle and I really like the butterfly details. These butterflies are giving me like Y2K. I just really like it. And yeah, also very easy to do. I think this one would be really good for day 3 because I don't know about you, but whenever my hair is like a little bit oily, a little bit more on the dirtier side, I like to put my hair back and do like a little bun or a ponytail. So yeah, this is really good for like day 2, day 3, or even if you wanted to do it right away on day 1 because like I said, at Coachella, it got super hot and you're gonna be sweating. You're gonna be at the desert. So this is a really good hairstyle. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again, Wavytalk, for sponsoring this video. So if you want to grab any of the 3 limited edition Wavytalk hair tools, I'm going to be linking it down below. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.